Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up options trading on Fidelity. First, you'll need an active Fidelity brokerage account. If you don't have one, opening it is your initial step. Once your account is established and funded, navigate to the Accounts and Trade menu on the Fidelity website or app. From there, select Account Features to begin modifying your account settings for options trading. Next, you'll need to apply for options trading privileges. Find the Options Trading section within your account features and click to apply. You'll complete an application form that assesses your financial situation, trading experience, and investment objectives. Be sure to provide accurate information. Fidelity will review your application, and approval may take a few days. Fidelity offers 5 distinct options trading levels, each allowing different strategies. Level 1 typically permits covered call writing and protective puts. Level 2 expands to include buying calls and puts, as well as cash-covered puts. As you gain experience and meet more rigorous requirements, you can apply for higher levels, which enable more complex strategies like spreads and uncovered options. Before placing your first trade, ensure your account meets any minimum funding requirements for your approved options level. While Fidelity has 0 minimums to open a brokerage account, certain advanced strategies may have equity requirements. Research potential options contracts using Fidelity's tools, then place your trade. Always monitor your positions closely and manage your risk effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.